Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you actually started to copy a style Figma. First, what you're gonna do is about to go through certain object that you can start to draw over here, and then as you can see, this can be really like this. And I think we can actually start to see this really to be satisfied with an important levels. About to go with the object, right click on it. Okay, go for designing. Okay, doesn't indicate for the right click, but it can actually to be like this, and then we can start to go for the a certain style like color, text, effects. So we can go for effective, for example, start to take the position 0440. If you have in your mind, you can go with a text here on your PC 0440. Okay, like this, and you copy and paste this kind of effects on another. This is how you copy style on it.